What's up guys, welcome back again to my channel. We're here in Florida. النهارده احنا طبعا كنت جاي مع الفاميلي اجازه وكده اهوت، فحبينا ان احنا نطلع النهارده ان شاء الله نجرب كده على المركبه في فلوريدا. نطلع نجرب ان شاء الله كده اهوت، ناخد لنا كام ساعه على المركبه ونعمل لكم فيديو عشان انا بقالي كتير ما نزلتش فيديوهات، فان شاء الله يا رب تكون الفيديوهات اللي انا بنزلها بتعجبكم. وزي ما انتم شايفين دلوقتي هنا ديت ميامي فلوريدا، غير الفيديو الاولاني اللي احنا عملناه قبل كده من فلوريدا. زي ما انتم شايفين منظر الفيو، دي حاجه جميله جدا. ان شاء الله هنطلع على المركبه، واول ان شاء الله ما نطلع على المركبه ان شاء الله نوريكم ايه الحاجه اللي احنا بنصطادها، وخليكم معانا. stay tuned, we're coming back ان شاء الله a little bit when you get to the port. See you later guys. What's up guys, welcome back again. We on the port right now. We just getting in here like not even 5 minutes ago. We just went heading down there to go to fishing inshallah. So let's see what we can catch. I just want to give you like head up what we're doing. Right now we're on the port. So I just want to show you like the view and the boat, how you look like it from inside. You can go inside too. That's how you look like it. It's like both sides, so you can go from the both side. So it's gonna look nice. So hopefully we about to leave like on a few. So and guys, we keep in posting. Don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. Coming back inshallah. When here down there. Peace out. Look guys, the view. That's we just leave it right now. We're heading down there. I just want to show you like that's most what do you call it? Most the port right there is like people is fishing, you know, but they have like a kind of a private boat. So I just want to show it to you how you look like it before when you start go fishing. And on this side too, it was like so amazing, relaxing. So see you when we get there guys, a little bit. Peace out now. So that's what we got today. Stay tuned.